On today's episode of Homecare Digital, we're talking about how to get better results on social media. When it comes to social media, we want results. That's the most important thing. So what can we do to increase our results? Well, one of the best pieces of your marketing is utilizing your face. Yes, your smiling face. People love to see it. People are following your page because they know you to some capacity. Your face is your best marketing tool in leveraging it because you are your brand. You are the reason that people are following you. And so when your face shows up on their newsfeed, they go, hey, I know that person. And so the more that we can incorporate you as the owner, you as the marketer, members of your team into your social media, the more that people are going to be scrolling through their newsfeed and say, hey, I know that person, like, comment, engage. And so the more that you use your face in your marketing effort, the better results that you're going to get. And I talked about results and what that is in the previous episode. Here's an example of one of my students in Lead Machine Academy. We did a prompt. I give my students prompts of things that they can do so that they can get better results on social media. And this one is about reintroducing yourself. So he's got a really nice intro, and I gave him the script, and then he made it his own into reintroducing himself. And what's so awesome is this was his third best post ever. He's got tons of comments, 11 shares, and he's, again, for this to be his third best post ever, it just goes to show, and he's pretty active on social media. And so to see the success of this, there's a few reasons in why this performed well. But one of the biggest reasons, his face right here. Having his face on here because he is the brand. People know him. Some of the other reasons was he took the time to create a quality post here and really let people know. So there's different aspects of this. I'm not going to go into it fully. But you can see that having a more long form post, people take the time to read, which then increases the amount of people that are engaging with the post. And again, but the key element here is his face. Another example, this is Chip from Comfort Care. Same strategy, all right? Shorter introduction, but still have all the fundamental pieces to make this successful. He's got 13 shares just from this, 2 comments. Again, one of his highest ranking posts. Here's another example. This is from Jonathan Marsh. And what's so amazing, all right, you can see he did the same thing. His post was his face, all right? And this is his post right here. 1,000 plus people. And these are his other posts, right? 145, 86, 74, 36, 1,000. So this is what you get when you start to use your face, when you have great quality content, when you have somebody giving you tools and resources to create better content that's personal, that's real, that's focused around people. Small businesses do business with real people. And so if you want to have greater success, you want to have results like this, you want to use your face. These things are personal. Using this long form content is a really great strategy as well, and just creating better content, because when someone hits that read more button, that increases that engagement. It doesn't have to be a like or comment. Someone hitting anywhere on the post, in this example, read more, automatically increases the engagement, which then more people end up seeing it. It gets in front of your audience. So again, these are the fundamental pieces so that you can get better results in what you're doing online. Do you want to learn how so many people just like you are getting incredible results on social media? Then you have got to check out my brand new free training, Social Media Success, where you're going to learn the 5 biggest mistakes home care business owners are making and how you can avoid them. All you got to do is go to thedigitalchamps.com/social and start watching today.